Welcome to the world of ChatGPT, the language model that's taking the AI world by storm. If you're thinking of incorporating ChatGPT into your business or personal projects, you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to take a closer look at 10 things you need to know about ChatGPT, how you can use it, and the future of AI. 1. ChatGPT is a powerful language model that can generate human-like text. This means you can use it for a wide variety of tasks, such as writing emails, composing poetry, creating scripts for movies, and even writing entire books. With ChatGPT, you'll never have to struggle with writer's block again. 2. ChatGPT is also great for answering questions. With its advanced natural language processing capabilities, it can understand and respond to a wide variety of questions, making it a valuable tool for customer service and support. Plus, it can answer questions in mere seconds, so you won't have to keep your customers waiting. 3. ChatGPT can also be used to create chatbots that can carry on a conversation with your customers. These chatbots can be used for things like customer service, sales, and even entertainment. And the best part? Your customers will never know they're talking to a machine. 4. ChatGPT can also be used for language translation. You can feed it text in one language and it will spit out the same text in another language. This makes it a valuable tool for businesses that operate in multiple countries or for anyone who wants to communicate with people in different languages. 5. ChatGPT is also great for creating personalized content. You can use it to generate unique content for your website, social media, or even your next big marketing campaign. With ChatGPT, you can create content that speaks directly to your target audience, making your marketing efforts more effective. 6. ChatGPT is also great for creating AI-powered virtual assistants. You can use it to create virtual assistants that can help you with scheduling, email management, and even ordering food. These virtual assistants can be programmed to understand and respond to a wide variety of commands, making your life easier and more efficient. 7. ChatGPT is also great for creating AI-powered games. You can use it to create games that are able to understand and respond to player input, creating a more immersive and interactive gaming experience. 8. ChatGPT is also great for creating AI-powered music. You can use it to create music that can compose itself and change in real time, creating a truly unique and dynamic listening experience. 9. ChatGPT is also great for creating AI-powered video. You can use it to create video that can understand and respond to user input, creating a more interactive and personalized viewing experience. 10. The future of AI is bright and ChatGPT is leading the way. With its ability to generate human-like text, answer questions, create personalized content, and more, ChatGPT is the perfect tool for anyone looking to incorporate AI into their business or personal projects. The possibilities are endless, and the future of AI is looking brighter than ever. So there you have it, folks, 10 things you need to know about ChatGPT, the AI model that's taking over the world. With its endless possibilities, the future of AI is looking brighter than ever. Don't miss out on the fun and start experimenting with ChatGPT today. Whether you're a business owner, a developer, or just someone who's curious about the future of AI, ChatGPT is a valuable tool that can help you achieve your goals and take your projects to the next level. So don't hesitate. Start exploring all that ChatGPT has to offer and see what you can create with it. Thanks for watching, and we hope you have a great time experimenting with ChatGPT.